Hind students. Today we will start chemistry chapter combustion and flame. What is combustion? The chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to produce heat is called combustion. The substance which undergoes combustion is called a combustible substance. It is also called a fuel. Sometimes light is also produced during combustion, either as a flame or as a glow. Air is necessary for combustion. Substances which burn in air to produce heat and light are called combustible substances. Example: wood, coal, charcoal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, liquefied petroleum gas, and CNG, etc. Let's see an activity. Fix a lighted candle on a table. Put a glass chimney over the table and rest it on a few wooden blocks in such a way so that air can enter the chimney. Observe what happens to the flame. Now remove the blocks and let the chimney rest on the table. Again observe the flame. Then put a glass plate over the chimney. Observe the flame again. The candle burned freely in A because air enters the chimney from below. The candle stops burning in B because air does not enter the chimney from below. The candle does not burn in C because air is not available. This shows that air is necessary for burning. Ignition temperature. The minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire and burns is called its ignition temperature. A substance will not catch fire and burn if its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. Different substances have different ignition temperatures. Example: the ignition temperature of kerosene is less than the ignition temperature of wood. Substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substances. Example: petrol, alcohol, LPG, CNG, etc. What are the conditions necessary for combustion? The conditions necessary for combustion are fuel, air, heat. A substance will not burn without one or more of these conditions. Thank you.